Welcome to another episode of Podcast Name. I'm excited to dive into today's topic, which revolves around the innovative world of brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, and their impact on our future. Now, this might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, we're stepping into a fascinating and very real exploration. So, let's kick things off. Picture this: people linking their minds directly to computers to control devices with just their thoughts. It sounds like something straight from a futuristic novel, right? But it's happening right now, and researchers are making incredible strides in this area. Now let's break it down. What exactly is a BCI? Basically, it's a direct communication pathway between an enhanced or wired brain and an external device. It's primarily being explored for medical applications. Think helping those with paralysis or neurological disorders regain mobility or communicate. Since we're on the edge of technology, here's a curious question for you. What would you think if in the near future we could potentially enhance our cognitive abilities or memory through these interfaces? It opens up a whole realm of ethical discussions, such as, should there be boundaries to how we augment our capabilities? As we explore BCIs more, one of my favorite stories involves a paralyzed man who learned to control a robotic arm using only his thoughts. He was able to pick up a drink. Imagine the overwhelming sense of joy and accomplishment he must have felt after years of not being able to perform such a simple action. It's stories like this that remind us of the human spirit and its relentless drive to overcome. That said, not everything is all rosy. We also need to address the challenges, like device security and privacy concerns. After all, if our thoughts are connected to machines, how do we protect against potential hacking? And what happens if someone gains access to our minds? It raises a slew of questions about personal data and autonomy. Now, shifting gears a bit, let's think about the implications for education. Could BCIs help students learn faster or absorb information more readily? Imagine being able to download knowledge into your brain. Intense, right? But it also poses an interesting dilemma about the value of traditional learning and exploration. Before we wrap up, let's reflect on some key takeaways. BCIs hold immense potential, not just for restoring lost functions or enhancing abilities, but also for creating ethical conversations around privacy and autonomy. The technology could revolutionize how we interact with the world, but it comes with serious considerations we must address. As we conclude today's discussion, I'd like to leave you with something to ponder. If you could have a brain-computer interface, what's the first thing you would want it to do? Would you enhance your memory, learn new languages, or perhaps even telepathically communicate with others? Think about it. Thank you for joining me today on Podcast Name. I'm looking forward to exploring more exciting topics with you in future episodes. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, keep your minds open to new possibilities.